Today we'll be discussing on good manufacturing practices being followed in all the food manufacturing enterprise. Good manufacturing practices deal with contamination by people, food materials, packaging materials, or any other hazardous material. So, all employees working in direct contact with food or non food contact surfaces, food packaging, must conform to hygienic practices because this protect against food contamination by microorganism or other unwanted materials. It causes basically by some careless employees practices. So the best way to avoid it, to prevent it, any behavior that could result in food contamination such as eating, chewing gum, other hygienic practices should be prohibited in the production areas or food handling areas. So, what could be the causes of communicable diseases or poor hygiene? Clothing, hair, personal habits, hand washing, improper training, visitors' entry, injuries. These are some factors that could affect communicable disease that could cause poor hygiene practices. So, to prevent it, no jewelry, no perfumes, no nail polish, no trimmed short. These policies must be allowed in the uh, production areas or in the whole premise. Talking about clothing, everyone must wear pants and covered sleeves. Employees should be provided gloves, mask, and hairnet on the daily basis. Personal belonging and street clothing must be prohibited in the production area and they have to be stored in locker rooms. All employees must wash their hands thoroughly when they enter food handling, when they exit food handling area, before starting work, after breaks, and after using toilet facilities. Employees must keep hand contact with ingredients to a minimum because it can cause cross contamination. You have to check ingredients for expiration dates to ensure that fresh ingredients are used. Cooling products should always be kept covered. You must ensure that all containers, including those holding rework, are properly labeled and are kept covered. You can use different color coded containers for different kind of materials. If so, keep unscreened doors always closed, windows closed. Return tools and attachments to their proper place after use. That is called Kaizen principles. We'll discuss it later. Do not lean, sit, or step on the product surfaces. These are not good manufacturing practices. Do not handle ingredients or products with either cut or infected hands. Employees or workers have to be trained for these practices. Keep contact surfaces clean and free of contamination from tools, cords, cleaning utensils, machines parts, or lubricants and paper. We have to ensure that all pellets and materials that are should be kept at least 18 inches away from the walls. That is just necessary in the uh, in production handling areas. Inspect always torn bags and boxes and then repair it appropriate. Store ingredients and products at the appropriate temperature. Use always ingredients in proper rotation. Rotation or stock rotation is just imperative in the production in good storage practices. You must have heard of FIFO practice, first in, first out. That's called stock rotation. Handle ingredients with or products carefully to avoid spilling. Do not return products or ingredients to the production line after they have touched the floor, because this can cause cross contamination. Thank you so